Coaching and training are two completely different things. I think we're a much better coaching organization than a training organization. And I think what we've learned over the years is it's sitting inside of a classroom, like we normally, like everybody is taught as we grow up, and teaching people concepts about how you do this or how you do that. We have not seen that actually connects to performance for agents. And so what we've learned that I think you get more stickiness with is an actual coaching conversation. So if we do a workshop and we teach something in a workshop and then we do it together and then we coach on it in the moment, we see that gets agents going a whole lot faster than having a binder or a book full of notes that we know you're not going to go back to.
Yeah.
So I think we're an incredible coaching organization, and I think that the agents need the grounding of being in a school setting. But I think the biggest difference that we need to change now with this new generation and how we train our agents and our lenders is now this is more workshoppy, where we're all working together. We're clicking the buttons, we're touching the things, we're doing the things, and then getting the questions out as we start getting the reps.
Yeah, it's similar to how you just did your training this morning, right?
Yeah.
With the Follow-Up Boss. Yeah,
Absolutely.
our CRM,
Absolutely.
and how you were training them on the new system and just walking them through how to do it as you were teaching them, right?
Absolutely. If I give them a handout and show them everything that they need to do, and here's the standard, then we get 2 weeks later and they're not doing it, and you're going, what happened?
Yeah.
And they're like, I didn't know. Well, the only way we understand is through reps.
Yeah.
So we've got to go get in it, do the reps together. And I think workshops are arguably the most important thing in being able to get your content or your topic, having it actually stick and getting them to perform and do the activity you want them to do.
It's I do, we do, you do, essentially.
Yeah, that's what I can't remember who taught, I think Brett taught us that actually.
Yeah.
That everything that we teach inside of our world is I do, we do, you do, because it's just giving them a handout and a guide just isn't enough. It's not how people learn.
Because once they actually get to it, they're not going to remember any of it.